Hey everyone! Today I'm going to walk you through moving data from my circle to OceanBase. Let's take it step by step. Some procedures. Let's look at the big picture. You create a migration task, set up your source and target, choose what to migrate, and then you're off the races. We'll start by creating an RDS My Circle cluster, so let's break it down. First, create an instance. Let's use the Quick Start option. Pick a type, choose a key pair. I've got one ready, so we'll use that. For extra safety, we'll only allow SSH for my IP. Let's leave other options as they are and we're good to go. Check out this summary. If it looks good, hit that launch button. Awesome! Our instance is up and running. Now let's create a database. We'll go with absent RDS and choose my circle. To make things simple, let's use self-managed so we don't have to provide a secret. Click Auto Generate Password. Then keep other options as they are and scroll down and click Create Database. Now that your source is ready, let's create a migration task. Set up your source. Choose the right settings and connection type. We'll use a private network. Pick RDS My Circle. Connection details. We need to pop over to the AWS VPC console and allow the right principals. Paste your principals here and allow. I've done this before, so I'm skipping it now. Or you can use public IP to connect to your source. Go to your database console. Go to Connectivity and Security. Click Security. Click this ID. And now we can see the inbound rules list. Click Edit Email Rules to add your own one. Before we start, we need an OceanBase target. I'll show you how to create an OB instance. It's super easy, just a few clicks. Let's use AWS and choose region. And leave other things as they are. Click Creating. Yes, there we go. We can see we've got a counts here. We're going to use it to migrate data. So time for a new task. Let's name it RDS to OB My Circle. You need to choose the database type, instance type, and connection type. Just as I showed you before, you can use private link or IP. I have added the source to my data source list, so I just pick one. And we're good to go. The same for the target. Let's pick a target from the data source list. Yeah, this one. It's good. And let's test and continue. For migration type, we'll go with incremental and full verification. Select what you want to move over. I'm picking a couple of tables here. You can even give the database a new name if you want. If all the pre-checks are good, we're ready to roll. Hit the Start Task button. The migration happens in stages. Schema migration, full data migration, incremental sync, and full verification. You can watch the progress and even add or remove stuff during the process. Okay, let's check the incremental sync and the full verification. All seems good. You can view objects, add objects, or reduce objects. Let's check out add. You pick one, and we can see we have one more here, or reduce objects. Let me just reduce this one. Yeah, bye-bye. And you can see the difference. Okay? And you can clone your migration task. Let's go back. This is the migration task list. Okay, that's the end for this video. Catch you later. Bye bye.